Hello and welcome to Penny tutorial videos. In this video we're gonna talk about staking Penny token. To stake tokens, of course, you need to have some Penny tokens in your wallet and to have small amount of BNB to cover the gas fees. So first thing is you need to come to app.pennytoken.org and to click here on Connect Wallet. In this moment the app is working with MetaMask and soon we'll add option for Trust Wallet. So click here. When you enter you will see different options here. Penny has options for staking, to give proposal, to vote for proposals, bridge on other networks and so on. So we'll go here for staking. Also very important to know is when you lock your tokens into staking, you can't remove it from staking for 7 days period. So let's say I want to put this much into the staking. I put here and click here on Start Staking. I'll click here on to confirm transaction. You can see BNB fee, and that's it. And when transaction is approved on blockchain, we can see collateral here, and when transaction happens, rewards will come here. I can claim that rewards, put back to staking, or I can use it to keep it in my wallet, to sell it or anything else. So it's very simple app and anyone can use it. In the case that you have any questions, you can contact us in Telegram group. There is always some of admins to help you with this process. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.